plough, but when I was hooking the plough on, it just started to drizzle, so I thought I might just pull the tractor in the shed and see if it'll ease up a bit. If it does stop raining, we might have a go, but yeah, so far I'm not going to plough. And plus, this plough doesn't have its level wheel on. The level wheel handle is here. I'm just wondering where the... Oh, there it is. Right there. Yeah, that's a level wheel there. Yeah. A few parts have broken. I'm not sure if we can... Well, we know that we can get them back, but we're not sure how we can fix them. So, we're going to try and plough just with a stand on it. That helps it stand up straight when it's not on a tractor. But yeah, we'll just try that, I reckon. So, yeah. Just a Furrow disc plough with a little wheel there to ease up the furrow. The wheels on this tractor are a bit big for the 4-furrow over there. Like you're always going like part on the already ploughed part, just leaving tracks everywhere. Yeah. John Deere 2020. Mentioned that before in a couple of my videos. This isn't the only tractor we have, but it's the only tractor that we do our jobs with. Well, that's about right. I put the tractor in the shed and it'll stop raining. Anyway, I'll show you our second tractor here that we do nothing with. It's just a cool to have antique kind of tractor. A International McCormick Farmer. I kind of know what I have to do if I drive it, but I've never driven it on my own before. So this would probably be a good 10 years up on that thing. So this farmer was designed for an orchard tractor, and John Deere made the general purpose, the John Deere GP, to compete up against the International Farmer. So it's got weights on it here. Hang on. Anyway, my mum was interrupting me through a phone call, so where was I? Oh, yeah, that's an exhaust. If you guys, I guess you guys should know. This isn't the way to climb up on the farmall. You climb up on the back, but it's just backed all the way up to the shed that I just climb on using the weights. So you got your clutch down in there. That's your clutch to change gears. These are your brakes. If you're going to use one brake, you'll flick this up, this middle beam, and then that will allow you to use this brake, which will brake that wheel, and then this brake will brake that wheel. But if you need to brake them both, you just put the switch in and just do that, and it'll work. Hand throttle here. There's no foot throttle, I don't think. Do you guys see any other pedals there? There's only 3. Yeah, hand throttle. I think this is your off switch. You pull that to turn it off. This is the this handle here. Oh, there's a spider on it. Bye. This handle here. You put it into the front and turn it, and then that's how you start the tractor. There's no like key or anything like the 2020. In 2020 is push the 2020. You have to push a key in, and then and then press a button, and then that's how it starts. This one you have to plug a lever in at the front and turn. So gear sticks, you got your reverse 1, 2, 3, 4. So that'll be reverse 1, 3. I missed 2. And where am I? There. And there is 2. It doesn't want to go back. Oh, there we go. That's in 2 now. And that would be in 4. There. So, yeah. This gear stick feels nice. It just feels nice and slow. I like it. Anyway, this is mainly an ultra tractor and a ploughing tractor. 1 to 2, maybe even 3 or 4 furrow plough. Yeah, you just an old drag behind plough. Got an old wheel here that will spin if you need it to, I think. This isn't, you got your oil gauge down there. What's this say? Oh, water goes in the front over there, and buy clean fuel. Yeah, that's where the fuel goes, and then this fuel must be where the oil goes. No, oil goes there. Don't know what that's for. Don't know. Oh, coolant, I reckon. Maybe coolant. No, that's probably what water's for. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not the International tractor guy. I've got this handy linkage here for whatever you're pulling behind. There'll be like links that come over and connect. Like, let's say if you were harvesting corn with this tractor with a pull behind combine. Well, there's even some tractors where the header comes on both sides and it's just always on there. But yeah, like, yeah, one side one's like two row corn header. This will be part of the attachment here. Maybe over there too. But yeah, it's just history. This is all original. Definitely, this is easily 1950s tractor. But the fuel pump right there. Pretty oil filter in there. Got your fan thingy. It's not the kind of fan you blow yourselves with. That's the kind of fan that runs an engine and will easily chop your finger off. Yeah, just when it's running, never stick your hand in there like that. If I was running, I'd be, my fingers would be like that. Now, yeah, it's a McCormick Farm Away International harvester. So, yeah, it's plain old history, this thing. thanks for watching, guys. There hasn't been much talking in this video because it's our first time using this 6 furrow disc plough, and we're just trying to figure it out. And we got no level wheel on it, so we're just trying to make it work. But yeah, you're probably happy there hasn't been much talking to my annoying voice. Yeah, thanks for watching. Maybe next video I might be discing this paddock with that tractor and our Gibbons Rollins disc, which you haven't seen. Oh yes, you have seen on video. John Deere and Gibbons Rollins disc at work. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Have a good one.